Nigerian Supreme Court has ruled that the president has the constitutional power to declare a state of emergency in any state to prevent chaos or a breakdown of law and order. In a 6-1 majority decision, the Apex Court held that during an emergency, the president can suspend elected officials, but only for a limited period. The ruling followed a lawsuit by 11 PDP-led states challenging President Tinubu's emergency declaration in Rivers State, which led to suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara and other officials. While the majority upheld the president's power under Section 305 of the Constitution, one justice dissented, warning that emergency powers should not be used to remove elected leaders. This judgment is expected to reshape debates around executive authority, federalism, and democracy in Nigeria.